What if you can make close to restaurant quality egg fried rice with a cheap induction stove?
Induction stove 係
Get better results than using a small gas burner. Because gas isn't the answer if you are only using a portable gas stove like me and cannot get a big gas burner because you live in an apartment like me. So, here's how I do it. Turn on your stove to medium heat until your wok is smoking. Then, just add oil in to make a non-stick layer and pour it out. Add in new oil. Now, crack 1 or 2 eggs into the wok and beat it with your meat. Wok spatula. Now, add your aromatics, which are chopped garlic and shallots, and stir fry them. Turn up your heat to high, then add in new oil. Chuck in your day-old or steamed rice, then stir fry and toss it. Add in the white part of the green onion and continue to stir fry. Add in your light soy sauce on the sides. Then oyster sauce. Lastly, sesame oil. Stir fry until final. Now, add in the green part of the green onion.
The king of flavor, MSG.
Some sugar. Stir fry and toss them. Plate it up. For the fatter part, add in some deep fried shallots.